Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to cancel E-way bill and undo the cancellation of E-way bill to update the E-way bill report in Tally Prime. Moreover, you will also learn how to mark an E-way bill as cancelled and get the latest E-way bill cancellation details for a transaction in Tally Prime whenever needed. Let's first learn how to cancel an E-way bill in Tally Prime. There can be a scenario that a consignment is cancelled or you need to send a different set of stock items. Furthermore, there may also be a data entry error in the transaction, or it may be possible that the voucher was mistakenly duplicated. In such cases, let's see how to cancel E-way bill. Press Alt-G, type or select E-way bill and press Enter. The E-way bill report opens. Drill down on one of the sections under E-way bill generated. Let's open without Part B. Select the transaction for E-way bill cancellation. Click Cancel EWB. In the E-way bill cancellation details screen, select the appropriate reason. Let's select Order Cancelled and press Enter. Enter the suitable remarks for this cancellation. Let's say the order is cancelled by the party. Press Ctrl A to save. Now you can go to Send for E-way bill under Exchange on the top menu. Thereafter, you can select the transaction and click Send to process the cancellation. The E-way bill login screen appears as you can see. Enter your username and password. You will remain logged in for the next 6 hours, provided you do not turn off the system you are working on or reset the credentials. Press Enter. Tally Prime will exchange the E-way bill information with the E-way bill system and you will get the exchange summary. Press Escape to get back to the report. Drill down on the E-way bill cancelled from E-way bill system section. As you can see, the transaction is here. Now let's learn how to mark an E-way bill as cancelled on Tally Prime. In case you have cancelled the E-way bill on the E-way bill system, but the cancellation is not reflecting in Tally Prime's E-way bill report, then you have a flexibility to mark E-way bill as cancelled. Drill down on E-way bill generated without Part B. Select the transaction that needs to be marked as cancelled. Click the hidden key adjacent to cancel EWB and then click Mark as cancelled. Or simply press Ctrl F10. Select the reason. Enter the remarks and press Ctrl A to save. The transaction will move to the Marked as E-way bill cancelled section as you can see. Next, let's see how to get the latest cancellation details in a transaction. You may have cancelled E-way bill for a transaction on the E-way bill system and marked it as cancelled in Tally Prime. So, you will want to fetch the latest cancellation details from the E-way bill system to Tally Prime. You can use the Get EWB Information option to do so. Drill down on Marked as E-way bill cancelled. Select the transaction and click Get EWB Information or simply press F6. Now the status of E-way bill on the E-way bill system is cancelled. Therefore, the status in the E-way bill report is updated after Tally Prime exchanges information with the E-way bill system. As a result, the transaction has moved to the E-way bill cancelled from E-way bill system section. Let's drill down on the section. As you can see, the transaction is here. There may be a situation in which you have cancelled an E-way bill on the E-way bill system. However, its status in Tally Prime is E-way bill generated. In such a case, you can use the Get EWB Information option. Thereafter, the transaction will move to the E-way bill cancelled from E-way bill system section of the E-way bill report. Similarly, you can fetch the latest cancellation details from the E-way bill system to Tally Prime for any transaction. Now, let's learn how to undo the cancellation of E-way bill in Tally Prime. It may be possible that you cancelled an E-way bill using Tally Prime and it got rejected. The transaction will be in rejected by E-way bill system. You may also have marked the E-way bill as cancelled, but the cancellation was reverted and the actual status of E-way bill on the E-way bill system is generated. Furthermore, the transaction can be in the pending for cancellation section, but there is no need to cancel it anymore. For such cases, let's see how to undo cancellation of E-way bill in Tally Prime to update the E-way bill report. Drill down on Rejected by E-way bill system. Select the transaction for which you want to undo cancellation in Tally Prime. Press Alt F10 or click the arrow beside Cancel EWB and then click Undo Cancellation. Press Y to continue. Subsequently, the transaction will move to the Generated without Part B section as Part B was yet to be generated for this transaction. If the E-way bill was previously generated with Part B, then the transaction will move to the Generated Part B section. Press Escape and drill down on the section. Drill down furthermore to the transaction. Click More Details or press Ctrl I. Go to Show More and press Enter. Now, go to E-way bill cancellation details and press Enter. As you can see, the reason and remarks of cancellation are removed from the transaction. As demonstrated, cancelling E-way bill in Tally Prime is a simple process, and you have the flexibility to use the Mark as Cancelled and Undo Cancellation options whenever needed. Moreover, for any transaction, you can get the latest E-way bill cancellation details from the E-way bill system to Tally Prime in a matter of seconds. Subsequently, your E-way bill report in Tally Prime will get updated. Thank you. To learn more about Tally Prime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com.